Going for growth program is really important to us because as a privately owned SME, we've got significant capital requirements in order to meet the demands of our key partners, and our capital program, we wouldn't be able to fund that without the support of the RGF grant, which is underpinning the Going for Growth program. And obviously on the back of that falls off significant growth in employment opportunities.
Hello, my name is Chris Steele and I'm a shareholder and chairman of Avon Precision Engineering.
Well, Bristol is the cradle of the aerospace technology, and it goes back over 100 years. So we bring a wealth of experience locally to the manufacture, design and assembly of aircraft, and Avon Valley is just feeding off that history. We mainly specialise in spares for the Airbus program, and those spares tend to be small components up to about 350 millimetres in size. But one of the specialities we have is that we're able to offer a precision grinding capability, and quite a lot of the spares for the Airbus program are hard-faced using either chromium or cadmium. So having the ability to machine and grind components is very important and adds value to our offering to Airbus. It will make a significant difference to us. We have a capital investment program over the next 3 years. That's a multi-million-pound capital investment program. And off the back of that, we're going to increase our number of skilled employees from circa 35 currently to between 65 and 70. And we are committed as part of our application to create at least 20 skilled and managerial and engineering positions over the next 3 years. Quite simply put, we couldn't justify that level of investment without the grant that we are hopeful to be awarded. The normal source for funding for machine tool acquisitions is either via banks or asset-backed lenders, and they typically would only be able to fund up to 75 or 80% of the capital value. So the balance of the cash requirement needs to come out of either the cash flow of the business or via the kind of grant that the RGF is potentially able to offer us. And so that 10% makes all the difference between the investment decision and our ability to fund that investment requirement, and not being able to do it because of the tightness of the credit market for the SME sector in general. I think if you are involved in any market sector where there are good growth opportunities, this is a fantastic opportunity to get government support to underpin your investment programs, your R&D programs, or your growth in employment plans. And it effectively is money that is not going to be repaid back unless you fail to deliver the growth in employment opportunities. So there aren't that many opportunities in the marketplace to be given a grant. It's been rather bureaucratic in the sense that there is a process that you have to go through. But if you have a clear idea of your strategy and if you understand what your financial performance is, it's a relatively simple process to follow. It's an excellent opportunity for you to get support in your investment program or your R&D program or your training program. And it's not often that the government is prepared to back small companies in creating job opportunities and effectively giving you a grant for undertaking that process.